Hi everyone, this is Lindsay from The Lazy Naturalist, and today we are going to talk about rollerballs. You probably have heard somebody mention a rollerball, or if you were a girl in the 80s, you probably had a rollerball chapstick, perfume, some sort of beauty product came as a rollerball. So why do we use them now? Why are they equated with natural products today? Convenience is the straight truth. Convenience and dilution. Both of those are very important in my lazy naturalist world. One, because I am constantly running out of the house and forgetting the things that I need. And two, I have children. And so because I have children, dilution is a very, very, very important piece of using essential oils in my house. So what is a rollerball? When you hear somebody say, oh, I have a rollerball for that. Oh, I have a rollerball for that. Oh, just use a rollerball. Oh my goodness, what does that even mean? A rollerball is, these are the three pieces of a rollerball. It's usually a glass vial. This one is a 10 ml or 10 milliliter sized vial. It has a rollerball top. Let's see this little metal ball, the top, and then it's gonna have a cap to go on it to protect this piece. And what I like to use these for the most is maybe I have a recipe of some oils that I want to be able to carry with me, that I don't want to have to carry all of these, bottles of oils with me, and then I'm having to like get them out and I sprinkle them and wait, I just can't do that. That's just not going to be the best situation for me. I'm never going to remember to take them all with me. I'm just not even going to want to make the effort to have to like do all of that. So roller balls are one of my great lazy naturalist hacks, because when I have the time, I can sit down, I can create a collection of the roller balls that I know I may be needing for myself or my children, and then I just have them and I can grab them when I need them. So maybe it's tummy issues, maybe it's ears, maybe it's scrapes and bumps. Maybe it is I want to boost immune system, or one of my biggest issues is allergies. So in the spring I need something to help my allergies. So how do you make a roller ball? How do I even make this happen? First, you want to get your roller ball, all of your pieces ready, and I have them out here. I use you're gonna hear the term carrier oil. Carrier oil is just an oil that's plant-based that helps spread essential oils, whatever part of the body you're spreading them on. It also is really good for dilution. Children have sensitive skin. They're more sensitive skin than we are. And so you don't want to put direct essential oils onto their body. You always want to dilute it first. Whether you are mixing it into a lotion, you're mixing it into some coconut oil, you've put it in a roller ball, it is okay to dilute the oil down before putting it on your child. It is okay to dilute it down before putting it on yourself. It is not going to hurt anything. It's not going to decrease the benefit of that oil because you aren't giving some big mama dose. Like you've got to put all the oil, the straight oils on for it to work the best. It's not true. That's actually not the science behind it. When you dilute the oil, it actually is going to help spread it over a larger surface. It is going to allow the body to process it better, and more often is a better system than just one big dose for one time a day. Using it every couple hours throughout the day allows your body to process it in a better way, allows it to keep fighting or keep assisting whatever parts of your body is needed by adding it along the day, instead of just at 8 a.m. I took it and I'm done, I'm out for the day. So how do I make it? I take this glass part and I take the oil that I'm going to use. Some people use this dropper top, so they come with a kind of a protective little dropper top that helps slow the oil coming out. These come off, and you can pop them off anytime, and then you can get like a little pipette. So some of the roller balls, when you buy them online, actually come with these little pipettes, so you could put it in and pipette out the oil if you wanted to do it that way, and then you can count the drops. I just leave this top on because that's me. And then I look in here and I say, okay, who is this for? Is it for me? Is it for my kids? The dilution rate for children under 2 is usually 1 drop per teaspoon to tablespoon. Children over that, you can go 2 drops depending on size. I like to be cautious. It's okay. It's okay to be cautious when it comes to your family. It is okay to take a second and question and to think about and to say, I'm gonna do a little less right now. You can always add more. It's okay to start with less and then add more if needed. That is okay. It is absolutely all right. So this one is going to be for, my son keeps scraping his knees. And so I'm gonna get some lavender so I can rub it on to kind of help some of that pain that comes from those scraped knees and bruises and things like that. I don't know what happened. He did really great. And then all of a sudden now he just keeps like tripping on concrete. So for him, I'm gonna put 2 drops of lavender in, 2. All right, so see, that barely takes up any bit of that. And then I'm gonna fill the rest of this. And I like buying, this is the coconut oil I like to buy. I get it off Amazon. It says fractionated coconut oil. Oh, what does that mean? I know. Fractionated coconut oil is coconut oil that had the fat removed out of it so it stays liquid at room temperature. If you've seen coconut oil in the store and you're like, how do you do that? It's hard. You're gonna wanna find fractionated coconut oil and get one with a little pumper on it because that makes it easier. So then you just squeeze that on in. There you go. And I put my top on. They make tools for this if you need a little tool to help you get it on and off. And shake it up. Done. Look, rollerball, ready to go. Most of this is carrier oil. All right, so it's diluted for him, it's safe for him, and I can put a little label on it, and I can just grab it and go, oh, skin, rub it on, put it back on my counter, put it back in my cabinet, or I can throw it in my purse as we're running out the door. So even though I didn't have time to stop and put it on him before we went out the door, I can do it when we get to where we're going. That is one of the beauties of rollerballs, is you can take them anywhere when you travel. So maybe you're going overseas and you need some oils to help support your digestive system. You may eat something that may upset it, or you don't want to get sick and you need to boost your immune system. Rollerballs are a great way to travel with your essential oils. Also, this extends the life of your oils, because you saw I only put 2 drops in here, and now this is gonna probably last, I don't know how long this is gonna last, depending on what I need to use it for. If I'm not using it every day, this could last me 6 months. So I only use 2 drops of lavender, which is going to extend the life of my bottle of essential oil because I've been able to dilute it, and it'll last me a while. So it's also a budgetary hack. So if you're concerned about the cost of essential oils, these are a great way to extend the life. As always, I'm Lindsay from The Lazy Naturalist. Thank you so much for listening today. If you have any questions, you can absolutely send me a message, leave a comment. I really appreciate you all. Bye.